Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. It's that time of the month when I go through my empties, so we are going to get started. And I have an assortment of things for you as usual. I like to throw in some skincare. If I have some makeup that I've gone through, I like to throw that in there, and some food. So we're going to start with the supplement part of my empties. I have been talking about this forever, and I recently had to change from using this because of stomach issues. And I did find a new collagen peptide supplement that I am using, and it's working for me. But I am going to try this one again because I'm also using some of their flavored proteins, collagen peptides, and I'm doing okay with those. So I'm going to give this another try after I finish the one I have downstairs because I did like this one. And I feel that my nails actually responded better with this. I use this for nails, skin, and joints and hair. And I felt through the years this has really served me well until I started having some stomach issues, which I think I'm narrowing down. All right, my friends, so it is the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. You will hear some people say, well, or doctors say that, oh, this doesn't work because your stomach acid's just, get rid of it before it even has a chance to absorb into the body. But because I am on an acid blocker, perhaps it works better for me. I don't know, because I do notice that when I don't take it, my nails are just a mess, as they are now. That's why you don't see any polish on them right now, and I'm missing my London Town nail polishes. I love those nail polishes, and I just need to give myself a break. And I may even do a video on how I care for my nails when they become very dry and brittle with menopause. So if that's something that you are interested in, because I think many of you are probably noticing ridges and peeling and cracking with your nails since going through menopause. I don't think I'm alone there, all right? And my hairdresser even notices that my hair grows at a different speed when I'm taking this, okay? So Vital Protein Collagen Peptides I have loved for years, and I highly recommend it, okay? Unless you have stomach issues, and then you might want to try a different one, okay? I also have two other supplements in my empties, and one you have heard me talk about in the past, and if you watch my smoothie videos, you may see me talk about it there. And this is Black Raspberry Powder by Berry Health. This is the only one I will use, and this one here, I read some studies. It really does help with Barrett's esophagus. And because I have such bad acid reflux, I am always looking for ways to calm the fire so that it doesn't turn into esophageal cancer or Barrett's esophagus. So there are some studies. Look up black raspberry, not blackberries, not raspberries, black raspberry powder and reflux or GERD. Put that in and you read the studies for yourself. But I put in all of both mine and Louis' smoothies, definitely. The next thing I use, and I used to drink the juice, but I went to the powder because I wanted to cut out the sugar, and it is by Micro Ingredients Organic Tart Cherry Juice. Now, I also have an Amazon store that I will link below, and you can always find the things that I use, because some things I don't talk about, and I just put them in my Amazon store. So all of my favorite things, and this is household clothing, things that I have purchased through the years from Amazon will be in my store, and these are always in there, okay? But anyway, it's Organic Tart Cherry Juice Powder. It does help you sleep. It gives you better muscle recovery. It's a great antioxidant. So I add this into smoothies and love it. And I think that is it for food, so we are going to move on to some other things. Now and I have decided, since I cannot say the V word for our personal area, I'm going to say Virginia. For the Virginia area, you will want to use the Sweet Spot. I went through another one. I talk about this. I highly recommend it. It's pH balanced for the Virginia, the V area. It's pH balanced, so it does not contribute to the dryness we're already experiencing. Okay, so Sweet Spot, go through tons of them. I went through a Hello Fresh Natural Mint. I actually find these at TJ Maxx and Marshall for much less. They're like $6 in the grocery store, and they are $3.99 at TJ Maxx, but you can't always find them there. But you can find these on Amazon. You can find them in some drugstores, some grocery stores, but I was once got lucky and it was in Target and they no longer carry the mouthwash, only the toothpaste. So check your local TJ Maxx and Marshalls for these because you do save quite a bit of money. And I'm all about saving the Benjamins. All about it. Okay, then I finished up the Briogeo hair shampoo and conditioner. This is the Briogeo Rosarco Repair Conditioner and Shampoo. I liked this and I have no complaints about it, but I probably will not buy this again because it was expensive. And it's sulfate-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, and it was really nice, lathered nice, conditioned my hair nice, but because I am a licensed cosmetologist, I have access to so many great higher end shampoo and conditioners at wholesale costs. So that's why you don't see me using a lot of different shampoos and conditioners from Nordstrom, Sephora, Ulta, those kind of places, because I have access to them at wholesale. But if you're somebody who's always wanted to try this, it was nice. It worked well on my dry hair. It didn't dull the shine and it didn't take the body away. So it was a good product. Now, I also finished up the Olaplex, and this is the shampoo, conditioner, and the repair and strengthening. This is the number 3. I only like this. I don't love it. I don't think that I get the best hair from it, but I think if you have damaged hair from over-processing or some treatment you did, this is great because it helps it repairs and strengthens, and it also helps to bond the hair. So this is a good system for that type, but for those of you who have healthy hair, in my opinion, there's really no need for this. And now every single line out there has a system like this. I swear, one does good, they all jump on the bandwagon. But it is a very good system. It does work, but for me, I don't think I would get it again. And I can buy this at wholesale, and I'm just not going to venture into that anymore. I finished up the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I am going to get more of this. I really like this. It's affordable. It just really is great at taking that powdery look away. And I like that it's in a spray and it's just continuous. You give a spritz and you're done. You don't have any spitting with this. Some of these other bottles, they put a big blob of water and then you have to worry about, is my foundation or the powder ruined now? This has such a fine mist. It's really, really, really nice. I did like that. I also finished up the raw sugar scrub. Now, I talked about these forever until I found another brand. Well, I didn't found it. They found me. And I've talked about her for several months. I don't know her. She's a subscriber who created her own line, asked me if she could send me it to try. I fell in love with it, and now it's all I use. But I did want to finish up what I had, and I had one of these. I do like this because it exfoliates nicely, and I feel with age, exfoliating your skin is even more important than ever because we just get that dull look to our skin. So exfoliate, ladies. It's important. It really makes the difference in how our skin looks. And find one you like. But this one here I do like. It's the sugar scrub. But what I like about this is if I'm in a hurry, I can use this one and it leaves a film of moisture on my skin so I don't have to really take the time to moisturize. So that's why I really liked these. Like before I'm going to bed and I'm really tired, I'll take a shower and use this. Usually I will lube up and I have so much lotion that I work up a sweat, believe me. So this is a very, very nice product. The next product has replaced mostly all of my scrubs. It truly has. And she has several different flavors. And she is a subscriber who created this line. She put her heart and soul into this. I do not know her, but she did ask me many months ago if I would like to try some of her products, and I fell in love, as I mentioned. And this is Bay Harbor Beauty. She has an Etsy store where you can buy from. I finished up another Fruit Enzyme Body Polish, and this is the Rosemary Mint. I absolutely love every single product that I have used from this. I truly believe that it's only going to take one person to make this woman famous for her products. One Hollywood person would make her famous. I absolutely love, love, love her products. And there will be a giveaway coming up with this, a couple of her products. So keep a lookout on Instagram for this, because I think I'm going to do it through Instagram, because one of the rules is you will have to follow her Instagram. All right, so keep an eye out for Bay Harbor Beauty giveaway on my Instagram. I might do it here too. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so I also finished up a vitamin C by Maylove. I like this vitamin C serum. I don't think it works any differently from some of the high-end ones I have used. It is called the Glow Maker. It is their antioxidant serum. It comes in the same type of bottle as all other vitamin C serums. And it works just as good as some of the very, very expensive ones. So again, that is the Glow Maker Antioxidant Serum from Maylove. And everything will be listed and linked below for you. Okay, so I did finish up quite a bit of Colleen Rothschild. I finished up the Matcha Tea Treatment Toner. I do have a backup for this. I do like it. It's a great antioxidant, the Matcha Tea, in a toner, and it works really well with my dry skin. So I went through that, and I really like it, and I do have a backup already. And I have finished up a couple of bottles of the Retinol Supreme Night Oil. This one I like when I'm in between using my retina. I use the Curology one night, maybe 3 nights, and then I will take a break from it and I'll use this, and then I start back up again, just so my skin acclimates to the Retina A in the Curology products. But I'm not giving, and when I need to take a break, I use the Retinol in the Colleen Rothschild. So I do like that. And I finished up, although it doesn't look like I finished it up, but I did, but it was laying in here on its side. I did finish up the Age Renewal Super Serum. This is very nice. I just incorporated it into my other skincare products, and I went thinnest to thickest. And I really do like this. I think this is my second bottle of this. And then I finished up the Colleen Rothschild Smooth and Shine Hair Serum. I love, love, love the hair mask, and I think this comes in a set. I think you can get the oil and the mask, or you can buy them individually. But this is a beautiful, beautiful hair oil. You know I'm really big on hair oils, but they cannot weigh the hair down, and that one does not. I also finished up, and I absolutely love the Osmosis CC Cream. I have 2 of them because one works in the winter for me, and then I need to blend for the summer. And I always get the Neutral and Warm. I finished up several of these in the past. This just gives you a really natural look on those days where you just need to even your skin tone out, or you can wear it every day as a foundation. It gives great coverage. You can build on this. But I absolutely love, love, love this. I feel that the application is best done with your hands on this one, okay? And then I did not expect to love this, but I do, and I'm going to get another tube of it, and it is the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. This was all in one for me. It brightened, but it blurred my pores, and I really loved it. So I will be definitely getting another one of the Skin Love by Becca Brighten and Blur Primer. And of course I have to always add one of Louis', and he's gone through several of these. He likes this. Lou has salt and pepper hair, and the more salt that comes in his hair, it becomes unruly for him. So after he shampoos, he gets out of the shower and he towel dries, and then he uses this liquid wax, because when it dries down, it doesn't look like he's got this crispy hair with all this gel in it. So this is really, really nice. The doodles are spotting a squirrel or a chipmunk, but he has been using this for years, and it is by Crew, American Crew, and it is their liquid wax. So that is it for my empties. What did you finish, my friends? My girls are always with me, always. I don't leave them in their crates. They've gotten much better. They only sleep in their crates, or if I have to leave the house, they go in their crate. But they actually love their crates. Sometimes they go in their crates on their own. I leave them open for them, and they love them. But it is amazing to me. These 2 dogs never leave my side, ever. And Harley has to be closest to me. Lula just has to be able to see me. And Lula actually is more attached to me than Harley. But they both are, I mean, It's amazing. It's just amazing to me. I love these creatures like you would not believe. All right, my friends, so my dogs have decided to make themselves known, and I'm going to end this video now. They see a squirrel or a chipmunk, and they just want to get out there and be with it. Lula doesn't know what she's barking at, but Harley does. Anyway, all right, my friends, so that's it for my empties. What did you finish up this month? You know I love to read from you. You give me ideas like I give you ideas, and some things I've never heard of. I'm only one woman here. I don't have all the time in the world to know about all the products, so I love when you share with me. I truly do. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. I would love to have you as an Ageless Beauty, and make sure you hit that bell so you are made aware of all of the videos that I am putting up. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.